Hello everyone, let's talk about the Sherwin-Williams SuperPaint Flat. It came out in the 70s and it was their premier paint for many years, and then Pro Classic and Cashmere and Duration and Emerald have all come above it now and has really pushed the SuperPaint down to a really good mid-grade paint. In this video I want to talk about the workability, the coverage, the durability, and the washability. And the difference between the washability and durability is does it remove stains and dirt and things like that. And by durability, I mean, does the paint burnish? Does the surface look different where it was cleaned? Is it a little bit shinier? And the answer was no. Great, so it's got good washability, good durability, good coverage, actually very good coverage. I was able to change colors from this darker blue to this lighter one in one coat. Now, I would definitely factor on applying 2 coats. Whenever you're changing colors, 99 out of 100 times, you're going to be putting on 2 coats. I was lucky, I was fortunate, this did it in 1 coat. The workability of this paint is average. It's not great, but it goes on with the brush. It covers very well, so I'm kind of factoring that in a little bit. But it doesn't splatter, so I like that part of the workability. It could brush a little bit easier. Premium grade paints do brush easier. So my all-in-all impression of the SuperPaint is it's a very good paint. It's been around for decades. Been longer than I've been in the painting business. And my only issue, real strong issue with it, is retailing for $70 seems a bit high. I like the contractor price of $30, $35 very much. That makes it a very good paint to use. It touches up really well too. It's also self-priming. Forgot to mention those things as well. But for 70 bucks, I might buy a different paint that has a little bit better workability and probably every bit as good washability as the SuperPaint. So that's my review. I do want to say that I love your comments. I appreciate them. I enjoy reading them, and I also like your questions as well. I'll try to get back to them as soon as possible. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Take care.